Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to download Split Fiction, step by step. But before we get into the installation process, let's take a quick look at what makes this game so compelling. Split Fiction is a narrative-driven action-adventure game that dives deep into the concept of dual realities and fractured identity. You play as two characters living in parallel versions of the same world, each facing their own challenges, each influencing the other in unexpected ways. Every decision you make sends ripples across both timelines, shaping the story in real time. With a gripping plot, mind-bending puzzles, and cinematic visuals, Split Fiction offers a unique blend of exploration, stealth, and emotional storytelling. Whether you're unraveling the mystery behind a reality-shifting event or confronting the consequences of your choices, this game constantly keeps you on your toes. It's perfect for players who love immersive worlds, branching narratives, and games that reward careful thinking. We've made this process as smooth as possible so you can jump straight into the story without any tech headaches. But if you run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment below. I'm always here to help and will get back to you as soon as I can. Also, if there's another game you need help installing, or if you're looking for gameplay tips or walkthroughs, let me know in the comments. I'm always working on new content to support the community. If this video helped you out, be sure to like it and subscribe to the channel. That way, you'll stay updated on our latest tutorials, game guides, and more content on Split Fiction and beyond. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy your journey through the parallel worlds of Split Fiction. All the links and resources you need are in the description below. Have fun, and I'll see you in the next video.
So, what now? And that's the core to this story. Facing life's adversities, no matter the scale, together. Keep going, Zoe! I have a choice! Step away from the cat.
Hit me or die.